Commission on Elections is making sure that persons with disabilities are not left behind in the exercise of their right to suffrage. The details from Haji Camino.
One of the Commission on Elections' priorities for setting up satellite registrations are the vulnerable sectors. These include the indigenous people and persons with disability or PWDs. At Clark Angeles City, Pampanga, COMELEC took the opportunity to set up a satellite registration while a jobs fair was ongoing to give the PWDs and IPs a new hope. It was a two-in-one activity held at the Mimosa Convention Center. COMELEC Commissioners and Louis Tito Guia were present to check on the registration. But I was the one behind the two-in-one activity.
Yes, I'm very happy about it kasi nung unang nagsagawa si Attorney Tugade ng Clark ng jobs fair for PWDs and IPs, naging guest ako sa first ever. And then nung mabalitaan ko sa Facebook na meron ulit pangalawa, parang naisip ko baka naman pwedeng yung pupunta doon na mga PWDs and IP, isabay na rin namin makatch sila para masigurong may biometrics na sila. So, salamat naman at yung Clark ay pumayag na sumakay kami sa ganitong programa nila. And also, it will benefit PWDs and IPs because usually, mahirap sa kanila ang mai-transport. So, minsanan na lang. So, maganda naman.
Padaka stressed the importance of every vote that an individual casts. During the elections, every Filipino is equal, including the vulnerable sector.
Kasi bawat boto importante. Ang sabi ng Attorney Tugade, yung mga pinakamataas na opisyal, presidente, senador, isa lang ang boto nila. Yung magmamani, yung gumagawa ng payong, isa rin ang boto niya. Pantay-pantay tayo. So, doon lang tayo lume-level tapos hindi pa natin gagamitin. At ang pinaka-importante dito, may bagong batas na sa 2016, kung wala kang biometrics, hindi ka na makakaboto.
The jobs fair and the satellite registration focused on those who reside in Angeles City, Mabalacat City, and Porac in Pampanga, and Capas and Bamban in Tarlac. This is a very good project that started in Clark Freeport Zone. That's why Padaka called on private sectors and other organizations to coordinate with them to be able to reach out to the vulnerable sectors in the country. Mang Cesar was one of hundreds of PWDs who went to Mimosa to look for opportunities. Despite his condition, Mang Cesar came all the way from Mabalacat City just to look for a job. He hopes that he could be offered an opportunity.
Tulad po ng job fair po, gusto makapagtrabaho para tulong sa pang-araw-araw, sir. Para sa akin, malaking chance dahil na kami na mismo pumunta ay mismo sila nang tumawag sa amin, ganyan, sa Sigon, para mabigyan kami ng trabaho. Kaso puro underage na, sir, puro bata lang kailangan, kaya wala, pag-asa.
There are other satellite registrations that the COMELEC is planning to set up before the 2015 deadline comes. With cameraman Romel Tagbas for the People's Television Network, Haji Camino.